Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write equations of perpendicular lines. These notes can be found in your 4.5 note packet, the last 2 pages. So the steps are pretty similar, except we are going to find the perpendicular line. So we're going to take the opposite reciprocal. That means flip it and then change the sign. So first we want to make sure our equation that we're given is solved for y. In this case it is. It's y equals 3/4 x plus 2. It says write an equation of the line containing the point 6, -2. So remember, this is the xy that we're going to use that will be part of the perpendicular line that we're going to use to solve the equation. And it says perpendicular. So we're going to take this slope and take the opposite reciprocal, so -4/3. And then to find the b, you're going to plug in your givens to y equals mx plus b. So the y we said was -2. The m is -4/3, and the x is 6 plus b. So then we simplify this part. So that would be -24/3, which is -8. So -2 equals -8 plus b. Add 8 over, and you get 6. So b is 6. And then make sure you write the final equation. So I would say y perpendicular equals -4/3 x plus 6. Okay, so not a lot of new things to what you did yesterday, or for the parallel lines, you just have to take the opposite reciprocal slope. All right, so now we're going to graph the lines. So the original starts at 2, and then it goes up 3/4 because the slope is 3/4. So we're going up 3/4, and then we can also make a point going down 3/4. So down 3/4 would be right there. That did not work. Here we go. And then graph the line. Oh gosh, I thought I was using my line tool. Let's try again. Here we go. And then it's nice to label. So that's the original y. And then our perpendicular starts at 6. And it has a slope of -4/3. So down 4/3. We can go down 4/3 again. So let's do that. Down 4/3. So there's another point. And then graph the lines. And as you can see, this line does go through 6, -2, like the question told us. So that's one way you can kind of check your answer. Let's do the next one. So the next one is already solved for y again. So we take the opposite reciprocal, -7/3. All right, so you'll do y equals mx plus b. Here's the point they gave us, 3, -1. So the y is -1. The m is -7/3. The x is 3. And then plus b. So with this part, the 3's cancel out, and then you get -1 equals -7 plus b. Add the 7 over, and we get 6 again. So graph the original, starts at -1, and it goes up 3/7, and then we could go down 3/7. And I meant to actually on the last one label the second one as y perpendicular. All right, and then I did forget to write the equation of the line. Y perpendicular equals -7/3 x plus 6. So let's graph that line now. Starts at 6, and then you're going down 7/3, and we can't go down 7/3 again, so that's fine. And that's y perpendicular. All right, 2 more. This one we need to solve for y. So let's subtract the 4x over. I'm pretty sure this is the same, if not very similar, equation as what the parallel line was. So we have 3y equals negative 4/3 x plus 9. And then we divide everything by 3. Oh, I think I jumped the gun there. It's just negative 4x plus 9. Negative 4/3 after you divide by 3. So divide everything by 3 and you get y equals negative 4/3 x plus 3, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that's the original given line. Now we take the opposite reciprocal slope, plug in our point to figure out what the equation is for the perpendicular line. So we would have positive 3/4. So y equals mx plus b. The y is negative 2. The m is 3/4. The x is negative 8 plus b. And then negative 2 equals, that would be negative 6 plus b. Add the 6 over, and you get 4. So y perpendicular equals 3/4 x plus 4. And I will let you graph the line, both lines. Okay, now for this one, if I solve for y, I just have to add the 6x over. So y equals 6x minus 7. And then the opposite reciprocal of 6 is negative 1/6. So my slope is negative 1/6. And then I do y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug in this for our point, 12, negative 5. So negative 5 equals negative 1/6 times 12. They give us a nice point because 12 and 6 are divisible with each other. So that would make negative 2 plus b. Add the 2 over, and you get negative 3. So negative 3, and then y perpendicular equals negative 1/6x minus 3. All right, so there you have it. Now you can complete your homework that's due tomorrow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.